Hi students, to watch the latest videos of mathematics, go to YouTube, search the channel Influence Mathematics and subscribe it. Welcome to my channel Influence Mathematics. This is the first video for class 7 standard students. Please focus on the audio and the contents of the video. Before you start watching this video, copy down the notes given to you and then be handy with that notebook and watch the video. Then it will be more effective to you. Let's begin. So in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 6 algebraical expression, and we are going to work out on exercise 6.1. Before we start the exercise, let me highlight some key points like what is variable, what is constant, okay? Any value, any symbol, as you have seen in the notes also it is given, any symbol whose value is fixed, that value is called constant value. That value is called constant value. Okay, so constant means, for an example, let me give you area of the rectangle, a perimeter of the rectangle. We have worked out several sums before also. So perimeter of rectangle, just see here, perimeter of rectangle. Okay, now in this perimeter of rectangle, formula is what? 2 into perimeter of rectangle, formula is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So here I have to put a value for length and value for breadth. But these two, whatever may be the value, sometimes it may be 5, it may be 10, sometimes it may be 20, it may be 25. It may change according to the situation, right? So it may change according to the situation, this length and breadth. But this 2 is not going to change. So this 2 is the constant. This 2 is constant. It is fixed. Whatever is the situation, that means whatever may be the value for L and B, length and breadth, this 2 is fixed. It is in the formula and it is fixed, right? So since it is fixed, so this is called constant. This is called constant. But this length and breadth, it may vary. It depends on the figure of the rectangle, right? In some figure the length is 5 meter, breadth is 10 meter. In some figure the length is 20 centimeter, the breadth is 50 centimeter, right? So it may vary from figure to figure, from the situation to another situation. So since the values for which the symbols, these are the symbols for whose value changes according to the situation, those symbols are called variables. These two are the variables. Okay, this is called variable. This is the difference of constant and variables. Constant and variable. Okay, so the definition already I have given you in the notes. Now this is the explanation part. So this was just an example. I have taken the example of the formula of perimeter of rectangle. In this formula we can see this 2 is a constant and length and breadth is the variable. Another example let me give you, just like 9x. Okay, now see this x, for this x, 9 into x. If I take an example, 9 into x. Now 9 into, for x I can take 1 also. 9 into, for x I can take 2 also, right? Yes or no? So for x, sometime it may be 1. For x, sometime it may be 2. It changes. The value can change for x, right? So this x is variable. This x is a variable. Whereas whatever may be the value of x, however it is changing, but this 9 remains same in all the situations, right? So this 9 is the constant term. I hope it is clear to you the concept of constant and variable. Now see, any term given in this form, say x power 5, this form of terms is called what? Is called exponential form. Is called exponential form. exponential form. Okay, this type of form, this type of term in this form, if it is there, this is called exponential form. But this same thing, x power 5 means what? X power 5 means x into x into x into x into x 5 times. 5 times x is multiplied, x to the power 5. That means x into x into x into x into x. X, 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 x. 5 times x is there. 5 times x is multiplied, right, to each other. So, this form of writing is called product form. This form of writing is called product form. Whereas, the same thing, if I write in this form, these two are same. Okay, x power 5, if I am writing in this form, this is exponential form. And if I am writing in this form, then this is called product form. Whereas, both are same. Nothing is different here, but only the form is different. This is the exponential form and this is the product form. I hope it is clear, right? So, if sometimes you are asked, say, 2 cube. Now, 2 cube you are asked to find the value of 2 cube. How will you find? It will be very easy. 2 cube, that means 2, 3 times is there. So, 2 into 2, 3 times. 2 you are multiplying, how many times? 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. This is the value. Got it? So, this is the exponential form. This is the exponential form. And this is the product form. Okay. So, now, in this exponential form, let us discuss some more thing about this exponential form. In this exponential form, x power 5, x power 5. In this exponential form, this x is called the base, is called the base. Okay, and this power, you can see the power 5, that is called the exponent, that is called exponent. Okay, now many of you write like that, x power 5 I am telling, but you will write like that. No, this 5 should be in such a way, it should be written that it should look like the 5 is just a horn of this x. 5 is the horn of this x. Horn you know very well, right? Cow has a horn. So like a horn, this 5 is just like it will be standing in place of a horn of this x. Okay, the number which will be there in the place of horn of a variable or a constant term, whatever may be. So the number which will be there in the symbol which will be there in the horn place, that is called a exponent, and this is the base. Clear? Right? This is called the base, and the power which we are writing in place of horn, that power is the exponent. Okay? Base and exponent. So let us discuss about the exercise now. So this is the first problem given in this exercise. Area of a rectangle is expressed as length into breadth. It is given here. The area of a rectangle is expressed as length into breadth. If the length is twice its breadth, find the area of the rectangle in terms of its breadth. Now you can see in the notes what we have done. We have taken a variable for length and we have taken a variable for breadth. Since they have given here, see, the variable for breadth is b, right? So we will take a variable for length. So you can take anything. I am taking, let the length of rectangle be L, done, and its breadth is b. It is given, right? So now they said that what is given here? Given is if the length, what is the length? L, right? Length is that means equal to twice its breadth. Twice its breadth, that means L equal to 3b. L is equal to 3b. Done. Now what they asked, find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle in terms of its breadth. Now find the area of rectangle. Okay, area of rectangle. Formula is given here in the question. The area of the rectangle is expressed as length into breadth. But if it is not given also, you have to by heart it. That is length into breadth. So length we have taken as L. So L into breadth, it is B. So B. Now, they have asked us to find in terms of breadth. In terms of breadth. So in place of L, I will take 3B because L is equal to 3B given. So in place of L, I am writing 3B into B. Now 3, how many B you can see here? 2B is there, right? 2 times B is multiplied. As we have discussed, x power 5, that is the exponential form, and the same thing we can write x into x into x into x into x 5 times, that is the product form. Both are same, I said you. So the one which we can write like that, that same thing we can write in this way also. If I write like that, I can convert it in this form also. If I am writing in this way, I can convert it in this form also. From here to here also I can come, from here to there also I can go. It depends on the demand of the question, right? So here B into B, how many times? 2 times. So we will write B power 2. B power 2. So B is the base and 2 is the constant. 2 is the exponent here. Okay. So this is the what they have asked us. They have asked us to find the area of rectangle in terms of its breadth. So we got the area of the rectangle 3B square. Here no length is there, right? 3B square. In terms of breadth we got. Done. So that's all is the answer for this question. Let's see the next question. So here you see question number 2. In question number 2, they ask, express the following in the exponential form. We have discussed about 2 forms. One is exponential form and one is what? Product form, right? So we are asked here to make here in exponential form. Okay, x square added to y cube. X square added to whom? Added to y cube, right? So x square, that means x power 2, x power 2 added to y cube, y power 3. Cube means power is 3. Done. That's all is the answer. A raised to the power 4 subtracted. Whenever subtracted, that one we have to write from first. Okay, we have to see from whom. Subtracted from b cube, b cube. So that one we have to write down first. B cube, b cube. We have to subtract a raised to the power 4 subtracted from b cube. So b cube we will write first. B cube minus a raised to the power 4, that means a power 4. Okay, now here you see 15 z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times z is there. So z power 7. This is given in the product form and this is given in the product form, and we have written down this one in the exponential form. This is how we are going to express in exponential form. Okay, now let's see the next question. Next question, express the following in the product form. In the product form. So how we will make in the product form? Before also they given in the exponential form, we made it in the product. They have given in the product form, we have made it in the exponential form, right? Given is product form, we made it exponential form. Here given in the exponential form, we have to make it in the product form. Same thing. 9 a 6 times is here, so a into a into a into a into a. 1 2 3 4 5, one more time 6 times a is there. Then b square, no sign is there between a and b, that means into. Okay, if any plus minus will be there, that one we are going to put no sign, so into. B square, that means 2 times b into b. Done. That's all we have to do in the product form. The last one you see, number 5 x power 4, x power 4, that means 4 times x is there. X into x into x into x 4 times. Then no sign between x and y, so into y power 5. So y into y into y into y into y, 5 times y. Got it? So this is how we are going to express in exponential form and in product form. In product form will be given, we have to make it in the exponential form as we have done before. Statements also may be given, which we have to make it in the product exponential form, right? And They have given in the exponential form, and we have converted in the product form as asked in the question. Okay, so I hope it is clear, the exponential form and the product form. Practice this exercise very well, and we will be coming out with the next exercise very soon with the explanation video also. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel, and so that you can get all the videos notification directly in your cell phone. That's all for today. Take care, be at home, stay safe. It's Nirmal Roy signing off.